In a secret lab, scientists were thrilled. "We've done it!" Dr. Leaf exclaimed, holding a tiny plant. "This crop can survive without water." Dr. Root, skeptical, asked, "How?" "We used bioengineering to make it absorb moisture from the air," Dr. Leaf replied. A week later, the plant was thriving. "It's a miracle," Dr. Root admitted. Suddenly, the plant sneezed, spraying water everywhere. "Bless you," Dr. Leaf chuckled. "Guess it caught a cold," Dr. Root laughed. Remember, even plants need a little humor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.